Hey there, I'm Andrei from Kiravo, and in today's video I'll show you how to enable Redis Object Cache. Before we get started, I have a few personal notes. First of all, Redis is caching database queries. So on dynamic pages like the WordPress backend, you will see faster loading times. Redis will not speed up your front-end pages that are already cached with a page caching plugin, either our own server-level caching, Nginx Fast CGI Cache, or if you're using a caching plugin like WP Rocket, WP Super Cache, Flying Press, etc. So Redis only speeds up dynamic pages by caching database queries. Second of all, I've seen cases where enabling Redis actually slows down the site instead of making it faster. That happens because Redis can cache slow queries or bad queries, for example, full table scans. So when enabling Redis, you need to test thoroughly to see if it creates problems or not. Okay, now let's see how you can enable Redis Object Cache. Log into our control panel, click on your website, go to Advanced Developer Tools, scroll down to Redis, then toggle this on. Now Redis is enabled. Go back to the main page, click WP Admin to log in. Now, in your WordPress admin area, go to Plugins, click Add Plugin, search for Redis Object Cache, and install the Redis Object Cache plugin by Till Cruz. Click Install Now, then click Activate. You can see here Redis is reachable, writable, status not enabled, so we're going to click Enable Object Cache. And that's it. Redis Object Cache is enabled now. You need to test to see if everything is working okay and there are no issues. If you need help, don't hesitate to contact us, open a support ticket and we'll look into it.